Puppet news.
Hello everybody, we read a Gnome's story. Today we'll interview of their characters. Okay, are you ready? Come here everybody. Wow! Okay, we have 4 characters. Yes, first, where's the gnome?
Here.
Okay, hello gnome.
Hello.
Yes, please describe your gnomes. What does your gnome look like?
He is green and ugly and small and weak.
Oh, ugly gnome. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Next is the knight. Where is the knight?
Hey.
Wow, good. Hello, knight.
Hello.
Yes. What does your knight look like?
He is tall and handsome.
Oh, tall and handsome knight. That's good. Thank you. Next is the turtle. Where's
Here.
turtle?
Here.
Hello.
Hello!
Yes. What does your turtle look like?
He is small and smelly, green and slow taller. Gnome is on the taller.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Oh, you're
Bye
right.
bye.
Bye bye.
And the last is the gnu. Where's gnu?
Here.
Hello.
Hello.
Please describe your gnu. What does your gnu look like?
He is big and strong and brown.
Okay, brown gnu. That's good. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. This is the interview Puppet News. Thank you for listening, everybody. Bye bye.
Bye bye.